Why wander?
Even with a question so short, its answers are infinite. Wandering is such a simple task, one we all do without even realizing it. The definition is literally to move about without a fixed course, aim, or goal. What possibly could be easier than that? Yet, the word wander is so much more than just mindless walking. It is the embodiment of the saying, life's about the journey, not the destination. And as cliche as it sounds, life is all about the journey. A journey with no fixed destination. No matter where you are, you can always wander. All you need is you. That's the power of wandering. It is a word for the carefree, the daydreamers, the backpackers, and any and all who want to live in the moment. You down for an adventure? Let's wander.
I'm ready. Woo!